For over 100 years, science has described the universe through particles and forces, objects in space governed by fixed laws. But this diagram is no longer working. We see 95% of the cosmos behaving mysteriously. Dark matter and dark energy defy explanation. Gravity resists quantum unification. And life, mind, consciousness, they're treated as side effects, not central phenomena. What if the problem isn't just missing data, but a missing framework? What if reality is not built from things, but from relationships? I call this framework the Relational Web Theory. It's based on a simple idea. Everything, particles, fields, organisms, galaxies, is a node in a web of relationships. The universe is a network. Unlike fixed physical laws, phi evolves, emerging from the structure of the web itself. The cosmos becomes not a machine, but a self-organizing relational process. In this view, dark matter is not stuff we can't see. It's regions of high node density, but with few outward connections. These clusters exert gravity, curving the network around them, but stay invisible because they don't interact electromagnetically. They're not particles, they're relational shadows. Dark energy emerges from the opposite condition. Low density regions where phi amplifies tension across the web. Instead of pulling in, the web expands outward, a push driven by relational asymmetry, not a mysterious force. Gravity isn't a force, but a topological constraint, the flow of relation toward dense regions. Matter doesn't curve space-time. It distorts the web like weight pulling on elastic mesh. Gravity is the relational flow field of the universe. A black hole is not just collapsed matter, it's a relational attractor, a region where nodes become maximally connected and fluctuations vanish. Information doesn't disappear, it's encoded holographically at the boundary shaped by phi. This isn't a hole in space, it's a relational singularity. The same structure that explains matter can explain life. Living systems are auto-entangled subnetworks, localized patterns that maintain their identity through internal coherence and external exchange. Cells, ecosystems, brains, they're all relational clusters shaped by phi. And consciousness? It arises when the web loops back on itself, when relations begin to perceive relations. The mind is not inside the brain. It's a recursive region of the web dynamically stabilized across multiple scales. Relational quantum mechanics says quantum states are relative to observers, but it's limited to measurement contexts, not reality itself. The relational web is ontological. It proposes that reality is the web, not just our description of it. The relational web includes rule-space evolution, semiotic emergence, and topological memory. It's a living system, not a digital machine. In the relational web, laws of physics emerge as topological invariants, loops that stay conserved, symmetry classes that resist deformation, critical thresholds of entanglement or fluctuation. These are not imposed from above. They arise from phi, the evolving dynamics of the web. Invariant features anchor reality as the web unfolds. It's time to shift the scientific diagram. Not just particles and forces, but networks and flows. Not just fields and constants, but relationships, tensions, symmetries. Not separate domains for matter, mind, and life, but one evolving web where existence, awareness, and meaning emerge together. This is the relational web. If this reframe resonates with you, subscribe and follow the ongoing development of this theory.